Welcome to Logic Joy. Today's simple looking equation technically tricks most of the adults who try it. Pause the video right now, comment your quick answers below, and let's see if your gut reaction is right. Here is why everyone fails. Most people read left to right and think 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 2 times 6 is 12. If you guessed 12, you just fell face first into a massive mental trap. That is completely wrong. Let's solve this instantly using strict PEMDAS rule. Division and multiplication must happen before addition. Since division comes first left to right, we isolate 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now we bring down the rest of the equation, leaving us with 6 plus 1 times 6. Next, we must do the multiplication. 1 times 6 is 6. Finally, we add the remaining numbers. 6 plus 6 leaves us with exactly 12. The correct answer is 12. Did the order of operations trick you? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to Logic Joy for more direct maths puzzles.